Okay guys, I'll be explaining the basic tools we'll be using for this technical analysis, that basic tools needed for analysis. So first of all, we have our trend line tool, which could be found at this top here. When we pick it, you could see it labeled trend line here. So when you pick it, you can just drag it to wherever you want, tap on it, then you drag. Right. This is the trend line tool. This is where we can find our Fibonacci tool here. At this point, the number 2 here, when you tap on it, you see the first is Fibonacci retracement. Okay. So we'll go for our Fibonacci, then we could just draw it wherever we want. Right. So this is mine, how mine looks like. This is my Fibonacci here. Right. So I'll take it off. So for the rectangle, you can get your rectangle from the top here. So here you see a rectangle where I use this, where I use to draw my support and resistance levels. You can change yours to any color you want. You can customize it to wherever you want. So also we can also get the path tool. This is sometimes you can use this to indicate stuff on your chart. You can just typing it, tapping it wherever you want. If you want it to stop, you double tap, then stop. It's like an arrow, but it's flexible. So the next we have text tool. If you want to type something on your chart, you can just use the text tool. While for this, right, this is usually used to identify heads and shoulders. If you go on heads and shoulder, you could just tap, check at the A point, check at the B point, check at the C point. You can just draw stuff with it, identify it. You can also use the main one. I don't actually use the ABCD pattern. I use the Elliott wave pattern here. Yes, I can tap the A on my origin point, then my A, B, C, E. So I could just get something like this on my chart. So the next size here is where I like here now to calculate the number of pips or your stop loss. You could use here. If I want to longer position, let me just say here, I place it here. This appears automatically. So if you zoom in, the upper shows you your stop loss. If you drag it long enough, it shows you the price and the amount of pips and the percentage that you're going to use here. Like currently it's about 11%, 10% for this move here now. Right, so we could see it here, and also you could see if the market goes below to your stop loss, that's minus 2% here. So this is for the long position, right? So you could also get a short position if you're trying to short. Let me use an example from here, right? So this just indicates an entry. Possible use to indicate your entry for someone. So if you give someone your setup, you could just use this to indicate your entry, your stop loss, and your TP all in one. So this is just different markers, different stuff you could place on your chart if you want. But I don't really use all this. So while this is your ruler, I use this to calculate the percentage of move percentage of the country. Like here now I've got about 12%, means the market moved about 12% from this point to this point, about 14%. Sorry. So this is why I use. Why this is used to zoom in your chart, not to zoom in. But I just prefer using my hand to just arrange it myself. Right. I think this is to lock your chart if you don't want to draw anything again. Yeah, right. This is sometimes you could just delete stuff here. If you favorite any stuff, that's mine. For my favorite, you could see the arrow. That was my favorite. So if I tap on here, my arrow button automatically pop up, so I don't need to be scrolling to look for this and tapping it. I could just get it if I tap here. It's always appearing. If I tap it, it comes. Right. I think that should be all the basic tools needed on this trading view. Okay, for the live, I forgot something here. So here we got our time frame in which you could select what time frame chart you want. You have the from the 1 minute to 3 minutes. For this in the seconds chart, you need to be upgraded to TradingView Pro version to read the seconds chart because they move super fast. So you could have the 1 minute, 3 minutes, 15, 30, up to a month on the TradingView app itself for free. Right. You could also customize your chart. If you don't want follow candles, you can have regular candlestick. You can have bars, just bars on its own. See if I zoom in, it's just it's just bars. You can have a line, just a line if you want. But mostly I use mistake. I use the hollow candles. I prefer them. Right, so that's okay. I'm forgetting something. So if I go back to my watch list, so this is my watch list. This is every pair I look at, not at the same time, just every pair on my watch list. So if I want to add another pair, I just go to here. You see the add button right here. So I will type anything I want and I will see. So if you just tap on it, it will add automatically to the button here, and automatically you get the stuff. So you could also have different. This one I named this portfolio is called binary. This watch list is called binary. If you tap on here, you could have different. I have my crypto watch list where I just save all the coins I'm looking at. I have indices for just indices. I have the one for general, just for cool coin futures I trade. Yeah, and this is just general watch list. That this comes the first thing you see when you download Tradingview. I think you should see at least all these. For not all, I added some, but you could see this, and they're titled watch list itself. You can add yours with this add button. You create a new name, then you start adding mini watch list by yourself here, right?